I want to teach you something about life. Look at this spot right here. You realize how right here is bubbling up and over here is still settled? Even though we're in the same 24 hours, what this is saying is not all of us time comes at the same time. It will slowly reach your turn. So when the entire pot start bubble, that means everybody get them turn. But you know what? It starts from one side until everything finally catch up. So if something is not happening in your life today, don't worry. Tomorrow may be your day or the day after, but you're a day forward, isn't it? So just be patient.